This Key Allegro Real Estate property video is presented by Robin Martin. The home is elevated on pilings to allow for covered parking and entertaining. First level has an enclosed oversized garage which can be used as the owner's private/locked storage. Plenty of parking. The home was constructed to provide low maintenance and durability. It is located in the heart of Rockport and is a bicycle, golf cart or a walk away to everything, which makes Rockport a vacation destination. Only blocks away from Aransas Bay, downtown Rockport shops, restaurants, public harbor, and Fulton Beach Park. Also located directly across the street from City Neighborhood Park. Park includes a basketball court, picnic table and playground. The is the perfect investment opportunity to add to your portfolio and ideal for short-term vacation rentals. For more